Hello everyone. I have a new IEM for unboxing today. It's from Moondrop. It's called the Moondrop Quarks. It's a fairly low cost single dynamic driver earphone. What I expect will set apart this IEM will be the natural tuning it's supposed to bring for this price range. So generally the lower cost earphones are either tilted towards more bass or more mids. Somewhere there's going to be some coloring. But the quarks are from Moondrop, and they are supposed to bring the most natural uh, equalizer to this range. So let me start with the unboxing. The box itself is pretty simple, compact. In fact, there's no text on the top of this, so excuse me for the clumsy knife, but there we go. So very simple black box that kind of creates a little bit of mystery around what's inside, right? It's got the curve plotted on the back, so this is what I was talking about. It's supposed to be closer to the Harman curve. I'm not sure until I hear it, but let's see what's inside. There's a wearing guide that tells you how to wear this earphone. So I think this earphone is something that's something that you don't wear around your ear. It's something that just plugs into your ear. So more traditional or conventional fitting. So there they are, transparent. The red and black basically identify the left and right. And the cable, let's look at that. As I pull it out, you can see that there's no there are no tips fitted onto this, but the finish looks good. For something in this price range, I can see the shiny metal, nice wire. I've seen a lot of people not liking the wire, but seems quite okay for me. Quite soft, flexible, gray. Yeah. Then there's a pouch included, so this is interesting. At this price range, you do have a couple of ear tips. Then there's the pouch and a product manual, right? It's pretty interesting. There's a warranty card, how to wear the earphones, storage, all those things. So let me just pull out the earphones. Yeah, not the gentlest, but I pulled it out. There it is. So it's clear plastic, nothing very fancy. Supposed to be a simple clear plastic housing, one 6mm dynamic driver, and a special dampener to reduce I think some of the low frequency distortion and also protect from moisture. You can see it right here. That's it. It's as simple as that. I still have to fit some tips onto that, but yeah, once I do that, I'll set up a sound demo too. That's all there is. Hope you like the unboxing. Just watch out for a sound demo. Thank you.